In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for project management. Trello is a visual tool built around boards, lists, and cards, and it really shines when you start from a solid template. We'll begin by opening the project management template, then we'll customize it so it fits your team and your workflow. Start by locating the project management template in Trello's template gallery. You can browse categories like project management or search for it by name. Click the template to open it. You'll see a sample board laid out with lists that typically represent stages of work, along with example cards that show how tasks can be organized. Take a moment to scan the layout. Notice how each list groups related tasks and how cards include details like descriptions, labels, due dates, and checklists. This quick tour helps you understand what's already built in and what you might want to keep or change. If there's a preview, use it to get a feel for how work flows left to right, from ideas to completion. When you're comfortable with the structure, proceed with the template so you can make it your own. Now edit the template to match your project. Start by renaming the board to your project's title so it's easy to find later. Adjust the background or color for visual clarity, then check the board's visibility and place it in the right workspace so the correct people have access. Review the lists and rename them to reflect your process, for example, planning, active work, review, and done. Keep the number of lists manageable. Fewer, clearer stages reduce friction. Delete any list you won't use and add a new list only if it represents a distinct step in your workflow. Open sample cards to see how they're structured. Replace placeholder text with your real tasks, or archive example cards you don't need. Use labels to categorize work by type or priority, and define what each color means in the card descriptions so everyone stays aligned. Add due dates to set expectations, and assign members so ownership is clear. For multi-step tasks, create checklists with concise, actionable items. Attach files, link documents, and use comments to capture decisions and context. If your project has milestones, create dedicated cards for them and pin them at the top of the relevant lists. Finally, streamline how the team will use the board day to day. Agree on what moves a card from one list to the next, and keep card titles short and specific. Encourage filtering by label or member to focus on what matters. With the template edited and customized, your Trello board becomes a single source of truth that's easy to navigate, update, and trust.